Maraming salamat. Good morning, everyone. Ito, ginagawa natin ngayong event dito sa National Capital Region. Is a kick-off event for the National Capital Region Skills Competition this coming May 25 to 29. Lumaki ang skills competition natin ngayon for NCR. We have 137 competitors. We have 117 experts. We have 27 participating institutions competing among themselves, but basically they are comparing themselves doon sa world standard. Ang importante ay for the competition areas, we have 38 skill areas, animation, sa creative industry, may manufacturing, merong sa construction, also hard trades, meron din sa beauty care. So maraming skill areas ang ating cover ng 2026 Regional Skills Competition.
Kailan po ito?
Ito po ay mangyayari sa May 25 to 29. So itong araw na to, yung kick-off event natin is very important for our competitors and experts because this time, mag-start na silang seryoso ng preparation, training, pag-practice based on the approved skill standards na ipaglalabanan nila nitong May 25 to 25. Yung paghahanda, of course, we are very fortunate that we have our partner association. This is NCR Tibet Alliance, the Schools Association in NCR. Kailangan pagsamahin ang resources ng TESDA NCR and the Tibet Association. Also, we have industries supporting the event. Yung participating institution itself is a sponsor and partner ng skills competition. Without them, sila yung unang nagbibigay ng resources para makapag-practice ang ating mga experts. Hindi ito yung competition na practice na walang resources, walang pen and paper lang. So it's very difficult. We need the equipment needed based on the world skills standards. Kung kinakailangan yung collaborative robot, nandun, even the actual welding equipment, actual systems na kailangan for the competition ay kailangan i-procure ng ating participating private Tibet institutions, and we also have our public Tibet institutions. So maraming pwedeng mangyari regional. We need to select the best among themselves. The gold medalist naman ay magko-compete sa National Skills Competition. It's going to be held ng November this year. Sa national naman, magko-compete sila, and all the gold medalists ay magko-compete in 2027-2028 for the ASEAN Skills Competition. ASEAN Skills Competition, I think, will be in Indonesia. But this year, meron pa rin tayong ongoing skills competition na nilalahukan. Meron tayong sa creative industry, visual graphics. Meron tayong competitor na magko-compete sa World Skills Competition in China. Ngayong November or September. So, tuloy-tuloy ang pag-conduct ng skills competition. We need this. And we need you, the media, because kayo po nagbibigay ng good news sa ating lahat. Sana po ay kayo maging partner ng TESDA to promote the certified skilled workers, the future-ready workforce for our country.
Anong message niyo sa mga participants? Anong message natin?
Para sa mga participants and competitors, I know you are very excited to participate in this competition. Most of them are youth, 19 to 20 years old. I know maraming nervyos itong mga ito, and also the experts. So you need to be the best of yourselves. Just find time to practice, and practice. Because without the actual hands-on and actual practice, hindi mananalo ang ating ang ating mga competitors without the full support of everyone and of course the full support of the parents and the heads, presidents of their respective TVIs. Kailangan natin kung sama-sama dahil kung sama-sama, kaya-kaya natin.
May mga prices po silang matatanggap na.
May prizes po tayo, cash prizes for the medalists, gold, silver, bronze. Ang kakaiba ngayon, we are exerting all our efforts to consolidate all the resources so that we can also provide similar incentives for our experts. Kasi before, yung competitors ng yung mga may incentives. This time, ang experts kasi talaga naglalabas din ng kanilang mga time and usually monies para lang ma-practice ang ating competitors. So this time, pagbibigay din po tayo ng incentives.
With this competition, nangangahulugan po ba na globally competitive yung mga skilled workers natin, yung mga K-pop graduates?
You'll be surprised because ngayon ang mga skill areas natin is more on the animation, ICT-enabled qualifications.
How about AI na integrate mo?
Marami din po tayong AI, animation, Internet of Things, visual graphics, robot, collaborative robot. I hope you will be mga robotics. I hope you will be also join us for our opening and the 1 week skills competition para give us good news this time kasi ngayon kailangan natin ng mga magagandang news, mga balita para sa ating mga kababayan. Thank you so much for coming here and maraming salamat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.